A pair of rollerball press roller skin with high hardness material. Wear and durable. The equipment can press the roller into a ball. High yield, high hardness. 2 pairs of rollerball press, low energy consumption. Simple and convenient maintenance. A multi-purpose machine. 3 pairs of rollerball press, material extrusion effect is good. High pelleting rate. High pelleting strength. 4 pairs of rollerball press, roller surface is made of synthetic manganese steel material. Good use effect, long life, wide selection of roller diameter. The equipment can also be designed according to cost. 5. The double shaft reducer structure is adopted to improve the precision of the roller, and the gear adopts the hard tooth face gear to improve the performance and life of the reducer. 6 pairs of rollerball pressing machine adopts pipeline transportation to transport the roller powder in the dust collector bin to the equipment storage bin. Closed pipeline transportation process will not cause dust pollution.